We're gonna do this uncut. I think we should do this uncut. Fuck it, let's do uncut. Right, here we go. 3, 2. What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy Rishi S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. This, guys, I'm coming at you with another uncut, unedited video today. I'm probably gonna fluff my lines. I know I am actually. And listen, guys, I am bringing out this video, this giveaway for you guys today to celebrate the new Rush lifestyle range, which goes live on Saturday. This Saturday, 5 PM. rushathletics.co.uk. We are basically bringing out the most incredible product I've probably ever designed. This is the Rush Explorer backpack. I'm so proud of this thing, guys. A lot more details to come shortly, but it has everything. It has everything you'd ever want in a backpack, and I'm super proud of it. But basically, I'm going to be giving away one of these to one of you guys out there behind this camera, along with a signed Legacy rope, any color you want, any size as well. So second, and the third prize is our new Rush Freestyle sound pods. Putting it on the screen right now. Yeah, basically our wireless earbud concept, which is just incredible. These are incredible, guys, for what they are, what they're going to be priced. They have absolutely everything: crystal clear sound, incredible battery life, super functionality, everything. And guys, it's a simple giveaway. We're gonna get straight into it. I'm gonna show you what to do. All you need to literally do is make sure you subscribe. That's the first thing. Make sure you like this video. And the third thing is I want you to comment down below and give me 3 pieces of information. The first piece of information, you need to really listen clearly, guys. I want you to tell me where you're from, so the country you're from, the city and the country would be ideal. The second piece of information, I want you to, in one sentence, just tell me what you like about the channel. Just one sentence, please. It could be anything. It could be my sunglasses, it could be the tutorials, it could be whatever. It could be my amazing level of English, which is obviously not that good. But it could be anything. The third piece of information is tell me what you don't like about this channel. So a little bit negative, I know, but maybe it could be, let's try and rephrase it. What could be improved? Let's just say that. Yeah, what could be improved on this channel? So yeah, whatever it is, whatever you don't like, I don't know, you might not like whatever, how I dress or how I talk or whatever, I don't know. You might want to see some more other stuff and I don't know. So just let me know. It's just 3 pieces of information, that's all, guys. I'm making it really long. But yeah, I just think that this will be a really helpful kind of way of just giving me good feedback, guys, because at the end of the day, I'm producing the content. I want to be creative as much as possible, but I really want to help you guys out there. I've always said it. I want you to really learn from my experiences. I want you to go and chase those goals, chase those passions, chase those dreams, and really win at life. Like, I don't want you guys to settle for an average life. And yeah, if I could provide more and more better content, and you can help me get to that level, I would really appreciate it. And in return, I'm going to try and give away as much of this stuff as I can. It's so incredible, guys. I want to get into the backpack first of all, right? Because a lot of people have been asking about this on Instagram and they want to know what's inside it, what can it do. I want to give you a quick kind of overview whilst you're watching this video. Make sure you're getting involved in that giveaway right now. Make sure you're typing away and thinking. It can be funny, guys, it can be sarcastic, it doesn't need to be super serious. Like, I'm not looking for people to show me a lot of love all the time, and that's what I really like. I want honest truth at the end of the day. That's all I want. I want honest feedback, honest truth. I want to know what I'm doing right, what I'm doing wrong, and how I can actually make this channel better. Right, okay, this backpack, this is just incredible, guys. I love this thing, guys, honestly. Fully waterproof, so if you're stuck in the rain, especially in London anyway, which you will be, like, this thing will take your clothes. It'll just take care of your clothes, it'll make sure nothing gets wet inside. First and foremost, it comes with 2 sections. It comes with this side section here, which can expand, which I'll show you in a minute, and then the laptop section, or the kind of electronic section. This first section, guys, if you're not going to use it, you can actually pin it on the side, and it remains really thin from the side profile. If you're going to use it and pack it out with clothes, you can unlock here, and you can basically open from the top, and you can treat it like a hold-on, right? So it opens up from the top here, and you can then actually start to pack a heap of things. So I've got sections for skipping ropes, obviously. I've got sections for water bottles. I've got zip pockets inside here. I'm gonna basically put an overhead camera, I think, on this view. On top of that, I mean, you can fit trainers, hoodies, like weekend wear, your gym wear, anything you need for work, like a lunchbox or something like that. Inside, it comes with a USB cable, which you connect to a USB, like a portable USB charger. Then you can close your bag, you can zip it. On the go, if you run out of juice on your phone, you basically plug it in on this USB charge port here. Plug it to your phone and you can be walking with it and just, yeah, using your phone connected to the world. That's the first kind of section. This is 20 litre capacity here, a lot of space, guys. Then you turn it around on the back, you've got hard, what kind of like protective casing for your electronics. So here, you're basically gonna put your laptop, your magazines, anything kind of straight, sharp, hard, whatever it is. And yeah, this will fit laptops for about 15 inches, a little bit more than 15 inches, so really big space for your laptop. Fits mine comfortably. And then it also comes with this little bit here, which you can put on your luggage handle when you're walking through the airport and you're kind of tired or whatever it is. Guys, like that's a quick overview to be honest with you, but it comes with amazing detail. You've got the RA Pulse Line logo etched in there. You've got branding on the side, nice little kind of pulse line here, heart logo here on the side, rubber tag. I'm probably missing out a heap of detail here, but on the website on Saturday it's going to have every single thing you need to know. The main thing is it looks slick as fuck. It's so futuristic. It looks amazing for me, and it's super comfortable. That's the main kind of things, and it has so many good things about it that's going to help you in your day-to-day life. And yeah, I'm just super proud of it. With the RA sound pods, guys, it just is incredible. Like I said, incredible battery life, functionality. It's like, it can be used with any other phone, any device. It's so good, and it's so affordable as well. Like, there's so many gadgets out there which are so overpriced, and with this you could take phone calls, listen to it on both ears. You could do so many different things, and I love it. And they look slick as hell as well, to be fair. Last but not least, even, we're bringing out this new water bottle as well, our second water bottle, but this is got double insulation wall inside it, so basically acts like a super high powered thermal. If you were to put cold water in this, it will stay cold for literally over 14 hours, and if you put something hot in there, it will stay hot for around about 8 to 9 hours, which is just incredible. It's like even more powerful than a general thermal or thermos even. And yeah, look at it, man, matte black. You know it, man. It just looks so good as well. So yeah, we're bringing out some really cool stuff on Saturday. I wanna make sure you guys are there. Please use this discount code. It's gonna be, what am I gonna use? Explorer10. Use Explorer10 for your discount on Saturday, guys. I hope to see you 5 PM UK time. Don't let me down. Please, please, please get in quick, because stocks are very limited. These are premium line products. The composition and material have been sourced very carefully with the ear pods, with the bag, everything. We spent a lot of time, a lot of money into this, and I just want to celebrate it with you on Saturday. So please be there. If you're going to comment down below, get involved with this giveaway. Remember, 3 pieces of information: where you're from, what you like, what you don't like. Simple as that. Be as funny, humorous, but just be honest. That's what I want you guys to be. And I'll be picking a winner next video. At the end of the video, I'll be putting up your details, 3 winners. Simple as that, guys. Bish bash bosh. I'm looking forward to it, and I can't wait to see you guys there. So without further ado, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.
What's up, YouTube family? The Jump Rope Coach here. Just want to say a massive thanks for helping me build this community with you all. You guys are absolutely incredible. Your support is my oxygen, and all I want to do is create more and more value for you all. So if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be up to date with all the latest tutorials and workouts coming your way. So without further ado, guys, take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe, peace.